Would you be excited to join a rapidly growing remodeling company that's dreaming big? We're hiring for a construction project manager to join our team. Are you feeling stuck in a corporate setting with no career development or growth opportunities? Tired of working for bigger companies that don't appreciate the value that you bring to your team? Are you over the soulless CEOs just looking to get the job done and limiting your creativity? And are you in search of a new role where you have complete project oversight, a flexible schedule, and the opportunity to collaborate with a great team? I'm sure you've been through the cycle before of working with bigger companies in hopes of advancing your career, only to have your insight brushed to the side, a construction crew that's difficult to work with, and no opportunities for advancement. This position may not be for you if you shy away from leadership roles, if you enjoy working in a large corporate setting, and if you tend to overlook the details. This may also not be a great fit if you're scared to manage your own time and wait around for directions. This position gives you the opportunity to oversee our construction projects, manage a crew of talented individuals, and build relations with our clients. Our ideal candidate is self-sufficient, resourceful, and confident in their ability to work independently. Starting out as a small construction company in 2021, we've acquired talented members of our crew who all share the same goal: to create beautiful, functional spaces for homeowners and developers across Chicago. We take on development projects of our own, as well as offer architectural and general contracting services for homeowners and developers. We love to work closely with our clients, assisting with the initial design concept down to the last-minute details to eliminate any hassle and seamlessly create spaces they can truly enjoy. Our mission is to provide Chicago homeowners and developers with more than just a beautiful space, but to create functional environments that simplify everyday life. Based on our success so far, we envision our remodeling company being one of the top-rated renovation companies in Chicago within the next few years. If you join our team now, you'll become a core member of a rapidly growing startup. You'll obtain a stable position that gives you freedom of long-term security, and you'll have the ability to work from home with a competitive salary, professional development assistance, and the chance to collaborate with great people. A little bit about the history of Red Mug Construction. We have to start with Red Mug Investments, a successful real estate investment firm which was founded in 2018. The company quickly made a name for itself by specializing in construction and design for gut rehab projects. Thanks to an abundance of word-of-mouth referrals from realtors and homeowners, demand for our services grew quickly. To meet this increasing demand and expand our offerings, Red Mug Construction was founded in 2021, offering architectural and general contracting services to homeowners and developers in the Chicagoland area. And here is a group shot of our crew members. From left to right, we have Francisco, Javier, Edgar, Paul, and Jerson. And on the bottom row, we have Juan and Jorge. Jorge Catrain is the CEO and founder of Red Mug Construction. He's a licensed architect with an extensive background in construction and real estate development. He's the owner of 2 successful businesses and a third in the making, and coffee is his morning fuel. Then we have myself. My name's Alexandra D'Amato. I'm the Marketing and Sales Director, and I joined Red Mug in 2022 with a background in digital marketing and sales and related fields. I'm the mastermind behind all of our social media, web design, and client relations. Then lastly, we have our financial and office coordinator, Karen Soffel. She joined Red Mug in 2021 with a strong background in bookkeeping and real estate portfolio management. She's making sense of every dollar and keeping all of our checks in balance. Then here are just a few of the projects we've completed across Chicago, including some of our gut rehabs, bathroom and kitchen remodels. And then here are a few testimonials from some past clients that you can also find on Google. If you're wondering about the culture here at Red Mug, we believe clients should be able to enjoy a living space to their liking without the hassle. From concept to completion, we carefully plan and execute each project, ensuring precision, attention to detail, and seamless coordination. We aim to deliver results of the highest standards of quality, on time, and within budget. What we're looking for is a seasoned expert in construction project management, preferably in residential remodeling. A friendly personality that isn't afraid to take initiative, someone who can think on their feet in stressful situations, and a self-sufficient individual who's extremely detail-oriented. If you're still looking for reasons to work with us, you'll have complete project oversight, you'll seize a rare opportunity to be a core member of a rapidly growing startup, you'll have the ability to work from home and have a flexible schedule, and you'll help many Chicago residents and developers bring transformation into their lives. As for provided training, You'll be learning processes and systems from our company CEO. Cloud and software assistance will be provided, but we're looking for someone with experience. If you're diligent and focused, you'll learn extremely fast. We want you to find systems and work styles that are tailored to your preferences, with support available when you need it, of course. A typical workday might look something a little like this. From 8 to 9 a.m., you'll plan out your day, coordinate with the crew members, then you'll do your project site visits, then you'll run some leads, and then in the early afternoon, you may attend a weekly meeting to review project statuses, and then in the afternoon is your office time, so you'll be scheduling workers, planning tasks, building quotes, reviewing blueprints, and contacting customers. We encourage you to develop a schedule that aligns best with your work style. So, if you're looking for a leadership position with room for advancement, a friendly work environment, and an opportunity to be a part of a rapidly growing Chicago home remodeling company, we encourage you to apply. Complete the application located below this video. Once that's reviewed, you'll be invited to a phone interview with our company CEO. If you pass the phone interview, you'll be invited to a group call with our CEO and some of our team. Good luck, and we look forward to meeting you.